Scores of small-scale business entrepreneurs in Mutare were left stranded on Tuesday morning after the city council closed their shops over unpaid trading licenses. At Upmarket Trade Center Econet Complex, for example, more than 80 table holders were locked outside the premises, while a good number of shops around the central business district also had their doors locked by the local authority security personnel. Contacted for comment, City of Mutare spokesperson Mr. Sprenim TV said, the shop license is a statutory obligation which every player should renew annually. The Mutare City Council spokesperson also said they are a listening local authority and some players simply disregard the bylaws with the view to operate for free.
I think it's akawandisa dzatinobhadhara pakuti izvoni compared kune mamwe mashopu mamwe nemashopu like for instance iri padzasapa it's whole shop anobhadhara about $200 kuti yese because handiti malicense anobhadharwa pegore saka I think it's 200 pagore of which isusu umumu just a small space tobhadhara same amount but iri 195 hatitongoti zvakangofanana so of which mune vanhu vakawandisa saka mari dzacho ainini ndikuona kunge zvisiri fair. It's not fair, to be honest. It's not fair, of which mari yacho vari kuida kutanga kwegore tine zvinhu zvakawanda zvinenge tichida kugadzirisa maschool fees, marenji etc. So mari yacho inenge yakawandisa. Dai waiti izvoni maybe wombotipawo kana kuti time frame yekuti timbounganidze mari yacho kuti tionotipera sei.